good day, lovely people. I am going to try out this new air fryer seasoning coating mix. I'm very picky when it comes to my chicken, so I'm going to try this out. Say hi, Tali.
Hi.
Tali is doing her work. You want to show them your work? All right, let's go. Explain. What are we doing?
Doing these.
What are they called?
D.
What's the letter?
D.
And letter D make the what sound? Nope.
D.
Okay, so sit right. So you're coloring your letter D. What color, what letter D are you coloring brown?
This.
Okay, so is that the uppercase D or is that the lowercase D?
The lowercase D.
Okay, and you're going to color your uppercase D what color?
Green.
Now point to your uppercase D, the big D. Good job. Okay, continue coloring. Back to my chicken. So I am going to cut my chicken up because I do not fry chicken with the tips on. I used to. I ditched that long time ago. I know some people are like, why? Because the tips are the best part of the chicken. But yeah, I'm not. So I'm going to wash my chicken off and I'm going to go ahead on and cut them. And then I'm going to use this. I don't know, y'all. Let's see how this turns out.
That one.